Welcome to Quizmaster's official channel. Can you like, subscribe, and press the bell icon before we start the video? I have 3 mystery questions in random places. If you comment the answer after liking and subscribing the channel, some of you will win a surprise. What is the capital of France? It is Paris. What is the largest mammal in the world? It is the blue whale. Who painted Mona Lisa? It was Leonardo da Vinci. How many continents are there? 7. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. Which country is famous for inventing pizza? It was Italy. This is the first mystery question. How many months have 28 days in a year? Who was the first person to walk on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong from the United States. What is the longest river in the world? It is the Nile River in Africa. How many teeth does an adult human usually have? Generally 32 teeth. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? It is avocado. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Parrot. What is the largest ocean on Earth? It's the Pacific Ocean. What is the currency of Japan? It's yen. How many legs does a spider have? Spiders have 8 legs. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinkerbell. What do bees collect from flowers? Bees collect nectar. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury is the smallest and the closest to the Sun. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? It was Albert Einstein. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? It is Mount Everest. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees in Fahrenheit. What is the national animal of Australia? It is the kangaroo. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? It is a lizard. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? It was William Shakespeare. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? We live within the Milky Way galaxy. Mystery question: what do humans use to breathe? What color is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is green. What is the largest island in the world? It is Greenland. Which insect has colored wings and starts life as a caterpillar? Butterfly starts life as a caterpillar. What metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Which country has the most people? India is now the most populous country with 1.4 billion. What is the national sport of Japan? Sumo wrestling. What language has the most native speakers? It is Mandarin Chinese. Who was the first president of the United States? It was George Washington. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? It is diamond. Which sea creature has 8 legs and squirts ink? Cuttlefish does that. What is the largest organ in the human body? It is our skin. In which country did the Olympic Games originate? In Greece, and the earliest record is 776 BC. What planet is closest to the Sun? It's Mercury. Which animal can sleep standing up? Horse can sleep standing. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? It's Japan. Which famous ship sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? It was the Titanic. Who invented the light bulb? It was Thomas Edison. What is the capital city of Canada? Capital is Ottawa. Which organ in the body produces insulin? The pancreas. What is the study of weather called? called meteorology. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah is the fastest with 65 to 75 miles per hour. Which element is represented by the symbol O? It's oxygen. What animal is known for its black and white stripes? It's a zebra. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Australia. What do you call a baby goat? A kid. Did you know this? Third mystery question. What color is at the top of a rainbow? Comment your answer after subscribing. 5 correct winners will be picked for the next video. Watch this video next. Identify the animal by the image. Click here.